In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the featured photos on iOS 14. And as we all know, in this new update, you can add widgets and change the photos of that. And yeah, in order to change the photo to whatever you want, we want this app right here. It's called Photo Widget, and you can easily download this in the App Store. And once you've done that, you just want to open it up and create a new album. So just click on that, name it whatever you want, click confirm, and then click on the album and click load new photo. And we're just going to load a new photo. So let's say I just want to have this random photo right here and click on add. This photo doesn't make any sense, of course, but you probably want an actual photo you like. And yeah, once you've done that, that's actually all you have to do. Go back to your home screen, long hold on your screen, and this will appear. We want to click on the plus icon, and here we can add the photo widget. So at the top, for me, it already says photo widget, but maybe for you it does not, so you have to scroll all the way down to the apps and see it right there. But I'm just going to click on it, and yeah, what I'm going to do is click on I'm just going to choose this one, click on add widget, and the widget has now been added. Now we can long hold this, click on edit widget, and what we want to do is we want to select a widget album. And we have album 1 right here. Select that. And here it says photo refresh interval. And if you have multiple photos in that one album, that means that every 10 minutes it will change to a different photo. But if you don't want that, you can just have it on whatever you want. But I think if you just have one photo in your album, it won't change anyways, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, just select the album and the interval, and as you can see at the top, the photo is now right there. And that is actually all you have to do. Yeah, if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.